Welcome back, guys. Today I will show you how we can write an effective cover letter within 2 minutes. So let's get started. First, you need to write hi client name. You can get client name from the previous feedback given by the previous freelancer hired by the client. If you find the client name, then you can write here. Otherwise, leave it. And after that, in the first line, you can write what you understand from the job description and how you can help the client to complete this project successfully. And after that, you can ask the relevant questions about the job, what you need from the client in order to start the project. These two lines are the main important lines from which you can win the client confidence that after reading your cover letter, after reading these two first lines, client will found that you have actually read the job description and you are the one who can do this job. After that, you can invite the client to begin the conversation with you. If you feel that you need to chat with the client before starting the project, then you can start conversation with the client. And after that, you need to add 1 to 2 lines about your skill set, about your past work, about your experience. And after that, you can finish your cover letter. Best regards and your name. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.